everybody, it's 2:11 p.m. on Wednesday the 24th of May here in Brisbane time, and my fight with KiwiCAD is over, and I wanted to do a post-fight analysis, as every good fighter knows that if you want to be better, you gotta review your performance in the ring. So first of all, let me take you through the fight plan and the area that I was looking to take my offense, because this opponent, it was a lot of back and forth in the ring there until I was finally able to take my offense. So I want to move into the 4 hours, and I want to go back a bit into the area that I was discussing on my fight card video. So if we'll take a look here, this is the Fibonacci that I've drew. This is where I was. It was on Monday the 15th of May, and I was looking for a quick pullback into this level, into the 84.60. I mentioned the fact that we've got a lower high here just shy of this previous high. I was looking for a pullback and a continuation. However, the market stalled. The market went a little bit higher, a little bit lower, a little bit higher, a little bit lower. Didn't do much until finally the buyers came back. So at this point in time, I was still on hold, still doing some footwork, but there was no reason to start my offense. This opponent at this point in time was way too strong to strike straight up at the 84.60 level. So then I was looking at this push here, couldn't push higher once again. Happy days, we came back, we tested that level, and as you can see, I even marked my line here. So here I want to move into the 1 hour so we can see the detail of that area. So we can see we push strong, and then there was a bounce. At this point in time, I was looking at this area. We've got a couple of nice touches, and I was thinking I'm going to start my offense at this area, but the market was still giving me hard time and not allowing me any opening for an offense. So it kept on going higher at the point in time when it's just making higher highs and higher lows here. On the 1 hour, I've decided to square back and look for a better offense, a different fight plan, if you will. So then came these touches, and as you can see, we've got a touch here, went to a high. Another touch went to a higher high that even had a second push, then came down, slamming dunk into that area and pushed from it, but couldn't push as higher. So now this, as you can see, this orange line, this became my offense line, and I was looking to take it short. As the market goes through this area, I was looking to start my offense, was looking for my kicks, and then we exchanged some punches over here. Nobody was the winner. It was a back and forth, a little bit of injuries here and there, and we started to move. And as you can see, the market pushed nicely to the origin of this move. But if we'll go back to how the daily looks like, and we can see that all through these daily pushes, we're actually making lower highs. I was quite happy with this one, that because we broke the previous origin of the move, and because we traded below that 84 level, as I mentioned in the fight card, I was looking for a bit more of a push, and I was looking at this area. Now if we'll take a look, my black line is where I actually got my knockout. You can see this is the origin of the move, that from here we went to a higher high. We had touches here on the way down, we pulled back on the way up, and this was also the origin of this higher high. I was very happy to get out around this area. Now let's go back into the 1 hour and look a bit more into fight management. So as you can see over here, we pushed into this area, the origin of the move that went higher, where the bulls came out after a bit of consolidation. What I love about this one, and what gave me more confidence to go for the knockout on this one, was the fact that we pushed to that level, that 84.60, but couldn't go any higher. So basically we were testing that strong level from below. So the difference defense area was moved into here, which means this now becomes a no risk fight, and at the worst case I'll be out of the ring with a small point win. Now, the Reserve Bank of New Zealand, even though they have increased their interest rate, they have also signaled to the market that from here on they are done with hiking. So the market responded with a very strong sell-off of the Kiwi and helped deliver my knockout punch. Happy knockouts, everyone! Bye for now.